Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. In today's video, we'll be doing a seltzer review. I get a lot of requests to do these, and not only that, these are actually some of my higher watched videos or my seltzer videos, especially with the reviews and the battles. So today we're going to be reviewing Michelob Ultra Organic Seltzer. I had a third one. The cucumber lime, I think it was. I had a buddy of mine come over and goes, "Hey, anything to drink?" I said, "Yeah, help yourself in the refrigerator." And he grabbed it. Didn't realize that. I'm like, oh, I guess I won't be using that one in the video. But so there's three flavors it comes in. It comes in, I believe it's a cucumber lime, a spicy pineapple, and a peach pear. Yeah, peach pear. Now these all have 0 sugar, 80 calories, and 0 carbs, and it is organic, USDA graded organic. 4% ABV over 12 ounces. 0 carbs, 0 sugars. Purified water, organic cold fermented cane sugar. Now I'm kind of curious how they do that. Cold fermented cane sugar, organic natural flavors, organic malted rice. All right, so I guess through fermentation with yeast, it just eats all the sugars out. So now I'm kind of really curious. 6 times filtered, highest quality organic ingredients, refreshingly unexpected flavors. And that's kind of where I want to go. I'm not a fan of hard seltzers in general, because I like a lot of flavor. Like White Claws and some of the original Trulies, I think they're very watered down. The flavor plays a second note to the water, and I don't like that. So for me, if I'm gonna have a seltzer, like a Truly Black Cherry Lemonade, those are really good. I like black cherry. I wish these came in a black cherry, that'd be nice. But with Michelob Ultra, you know, the low carb beer everybody goes to, put out a seltzer. And they really promote the organic side of it. You don't see a lot of that promotion with other seltzers, is that it's organic. So let's go ahead and pop these open and see how much flavor they have, opposed to how much water they have. And that's the thing I don't like about them is with seltzers. I'm saying seltzers. I don't know about this yet. I haven't had it yet. So I'll be sharing this the first time. And when my buddy opened up that lime, I'm like, oh, no, I don't want to try it. I don't want to try it. I got something on the rim here I need to get off. There we go. Because I wanted to have an honest, unbiased opinion of what I've thought of these. So let's go ahead and crack them open. Let's go up the pineapple, spicy pineapple. Yeah, let's do the spicy first. And then if it is spicy, we'll use the peach pear to cool it down. So let's see here. Let's take a look at the colors and see if their natural colors come through or if it's just clear. There. And nope, they're just crystal clear. It's like the Truly, the Black Cherry Truly and the Black Cherry Bud Light, they had some color of that fruit still in it. So that's got a strong pineapple scent to it. Oh, the peach really stands out on this one too. So hey, we're starting off good, man. The nose is really good on these. Really good on these. So we'll see about spicy. I don't smell spice, but I smell tons of pineapple. I don't taste it. I don't taste it at all. The smell, the nose on it is phenomenal. I don't taste pineapple. I don't taste spicy. I get water. I get water. I just get water. I don't know if that's we'll find out in a second when I go for this one. I don't know if that's the carbonation on my tongue or if there's the spice in it. Yeah, just organic, natural flavors. Don't know what the spice would be. I don't know if it's a jalapeno or what. I was assuming with pineapple, usually cocktails of pineapple, if they're making spices, using jalapeno. Again, this smells great. Tastes like water. I don't like them. I definitely would not buy them again. I'm glad I didn't spend $18 on a pack of them. I was able to find them in the singles for $2.50. I'm a little bit upset I spent $2.50 on each can. It's disappointing. It's disappointing. It really is. I just get water. I just get water. No, here's the thing about it. One of the reasons I hate seltzers, I don't say hate seltzers, but one of the reasons I really don't like seltzers is there's such a strong, strong mineral taste to them. Like they're using a mineral water. I don't like mineral water. A true seltzer by definition is just carbonated water. And that's what you have here. So I will say the one thing Michelob Ultra did correct is it doesn't have that mineral water taste to it. It's just really bubbly water. So to the true definition of the word, I mean, it's got a very, very mild, almost, you gotta hunt. You gotta hunt and you gotta go after it a couple of times. You gotta really, really go after it to find a pineapple. No. Peach, pear. Like I said, you really have to hunt for those flavors. No. Like I said, I am very, very happy I did not buy a box of these because I say my local market has them for $17.99. I would have been very, very disappointed in this. Not going to buy it again. I'm not telling you not to buy it, but I will tell you this: if you can find them in singles, definitely it's worth it for your palate to see if you like it. For my palate, all I get is water, water, and a hint. And I had chicken chili for lunch that I made, and I just belched, and I taste that over the pineapple flavor. That's just crazy that I'm not buying this again. I'm disappointed. I've had Michelob Ultra at the beer, and it's not bad. It has flavor to it. Even the I love their cactus. What is it? A cactus lime beer that they have. Oh, I really like that one. There's flavor to that. They need to bring that into this. They need to bring some more flavor in this. They need to ramp up the flavor. Whatever their natural flavors are, they need to increase that. You know, I would be okay with 3 grams of carbs in a can. I really would be, like the Truly does. Put more flavor, jack up the carbs a little bit. In my opinion, I would buy it. I would buy it if I would sacrifice 2 or 3 carbs for a lot more flavor than these have. All right, guys. Disappointing wrap up on me on this one. I'm like, woo, 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 woo. Like, you know, I hit the zonk or something. But anyway, this is just get a can, buy them by the singles if you can, or if you're at a friend's house and they have some, by all means, try it out. Let your palate tell you what you like. But for me, how I like my palate, first, I do like fruity. I do like sweet. And I love flavor bursts. I don't have any of that with this. All right, guys. Deflated show. Deflated episode. A deflated episode. All right, guys. I'm going to go dump this. And I have another review video coming, and this one is by High Demands. And y'all will have to catch that one next. And we'll be making some classic cocktails, super simple ones too. All right, guys, y'all have a good day because what I've had early is I'm having a good day because of that, but not because of this. All right, guys, see y'all later.